Welcome back to Wheelie Good View. If you're new here, I'm Wheelie. I ride a 2024 Vespa GTS 300 all over Southern California. Today I'm riding with my husband, Papa Wheelie. He rides a Honda Rebel 1100. We're taking a ride along one of the most scenic stretches in northern San Diego County, the 76. We're starting right off the 15 and we're heading east towards Palo Valley, a route that winds through mountains, citrus groves, and rolling green hills. It's one of those rides that feels like you've stepped out of the city and into a hidden piece of Southern California. As soon as you are east of the 15 on the 76, you can feel the pace shift. The noise of the freeway fades behind you, replaced by open air and wide horizons. This stretch runs parallel to the San Luis Rey River. If you look closely through the trees, you can catch glimpses of the riverbed. On weekends, this road is popular with motorcyclists and weekend explorers heading towards Pala, Palma Valley, and Palomar Mountain. The further east you go, the more the landscape opens up. Gentle slopes turn into mountains in the distance, dotted with oaks and chaparral. It's one of those rides where you can actually feel the temperature change as you move between shaded valleys and sun-baked hills. The air here has that clean, earthy smell of sage and dry grass. It's quiet, just the hum of the Vespa and the wind in your helmet. approaching Pala, home to the Pala bands of Mission Indians and the well-known Pala Casino. This area has deep roots. It's part of California's original Mission Trail, and the valley has been inhabited for centuries. The casino itself sits against the backdrop of the Palomar Mountain Range, and if you look towards the east, you'll see the valley stretching out like a painting. I'm turning around here at the casino entrance, but if you kept going, you'd head towards Palma Valley, Rincon, and eventually Mount Palomar itself. Heading back west now, you get a totally different view. The light hits the mountains from the other side, and the whole valley seems to glow. This is one of those routes that reminds me why I started Wheelie Good View. It's not just about the destination, it's about seeing familiar roads differently, slower, more intentionally. There's something about being on a Vespa that makes you notice details you'd otherwise miss. The way the road curves around a ridge, the flicker of sunlight through eucalyptus, the smell of orange blossoms from roadside groves.
The sun is smiling. You feel like getting away. Get on the road. It's time to take it your way. The sky is smiling. Don't let it get away. You're on the road. Such a beautiful day. The sun is smiling. You feel like getting away. Get on the road. It's time to take it your way. The sky is smiling. Don't let it get away. You're on the road. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a
And that's the end of today's ride, from the 15 to Pala and back along the 76. A simple ride, but one that feels like a reset. If you enjoyed the ride, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me your favorite scenic route in Southern California, or one you'd like me to explore next. Thanks for joining me on another Wheelie Good View. See you on the next ride. Ciao.